Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can download and install Arduino IDE on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and search for Arduino Home. This is the Arduino website, so click on it. In this website, we need to go to the software section, so just click software. And I can see here there is a Windows installer here, so I can just install this. So just click Windows installer, which is going to download the executable file for the Windows. And in here, if you want to contribute, because it's open source project, which will depend upon your contribution. So if you want, you can just give some of the dollars which you want, or otherwise you can just say just a download. And wait for a download to complete. After download, we are going to install the Arduino IDE. Right click and run as administrator. In here, just read the document and agreement and just click I agree. Click on next. This is the location where it will be installed. Just click install. Now you can see the installation is complete and you can close it. There is Arduino icon which I can click, and this is going to start Arduino IDE, right? Here is the Arduino IDE, and now you can code here. Thanks for watching.